Okay, so it's Sunday, July 31st, and you're going to see some racing on this video. This video is... Well, hello! Anyway, after being interrupted, so this video is also going to be about the GoPro camera I bought. And I'm going to tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and I'm just using the simplest options with this thing right now. It's got a lot more options than I use, but... I mostly bought it for racing because the camera that I'm using right now at this moment is very shaky in the car, no matter how I mount it. So you're going to see 3 passes after this part of the video is over. And I'm very satisfied with the video quality in the car. I am very satisfied with that. Now I'm going to tell you some things about it. This mount right here I did not get. That's my old window suction cup mount. You did not get that with it, but as far as a charger, you don't get an actual charger. You get a USB cable. You got to buy a charger separate. You get several mounts that I would not trust on the race car. You get this one, which is a stick-on, and you know that maybe that'll work for a while, but once the heat gets to it, it's going to come unglued. And it has been known on a 95 to 100 degree day to get 130 degrees inside the car. So no, that ain't gonna fly. So you can order a separate roll cage mount. I just used this on the window last night and it works just fine. Although I do want to rig up some kind of a mount, and I may buy the roll cage mount. I kind of like the way the video looks when it's behind me, where you can see the gauges and see me. It just kind of gives you a better feel of what it's like to be in the car instead of mounted up high on a windshield. But like I said, the video quality is great, and for charging, all you get is that USB cable, and right here is the battery. You open this little door here, and you plug a USB cable in there, and the other end into your computer, or a USB charger, which maybe that's what I'll buy. They recommend, I forgot what amp, I watched some videos on it, they tell what amp. Yeah. As far as instructions, the instruction book is in the house, and I'm not even going to bother to show it to you because it has no illustrations, and it's in such tiny print that I can't read it even with my reading glasses. You get a kind of a visual of how to pull the battery and all that, and here's the battery. To remove it, pull on that tab there. I'd recommend getting another battery because this thing eats batteries quick. I still need to do some learning about using this, but for a 3-minute video it ate up 20% of the battery usage. So and the camera gets pretty hot, and I looked up some info on why it gets hot when you record, and I had it on high quality resolution. I need to go in, and then I changed the settings. I think I did it right, and it still used the same amount of battery, but didn't seem to get as hot. So you need a spare battery, and you need a way to charge it. I mean, 20% for 3 minutes, that's crazy. Price of the whole camera and what you see here, after shipping through Amazon, $372. I think it's very high for what you get. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the video quality while it's in the car. But for what you get, I mean, they should give you a charger. You should get a spare battery. You should get a chip. It takes SD chip, takes the mini chips. Let's see here. I'm trying to open the wrong one. Let me put the camera down. Oh no, this is going to be a terrible video. Terrible review. But I'm mostly wanting to show you some racing. And the SD chip, it takes the microchip, which goes in there. I've got mine removed right now. So, anyway, that's all I've got to say about it. But you're going to see some videos. I'm going to show you 3 passes, and I only did 3 because you have limited battery usage. So they need to work on that. So. Yeah, I got the first time run, and I skipped the next 2 time runs, and I did the first and second round. I got drilled on the tree in the second round, so that we only got 3 passes. And after videotaping 3 passes, I had about 62% of the battery left. So changing the video quality on the last 2 videos seemed to help on the battery usage, but I didn't really notice a difference in the video quality. Maybe you'll see it in the video. Anyway, we'll skip to some drag racing and the rest of the video, and just want to let you know what it's like to have a GoPro.